morning students. We are going to see about the inverse proportions. Inverse proportion is nothing but if you're taking a two qualities, okay. So for example, they're taking a worker and days. So if you're taking a two qualities, one is a workers. So if your workers is increased, your day is decreased, okay. So one is increased, one is decreased. That is called as the inverse. The number of worker increase, the number of day to finish the job decrease. Okay, depends upon the persons, that value is decrease. So direct means if you're increasing your means what they mention. Indirect means indirect inverse we already know. If you're increasing corresponding your y also, both the term is increasing. That is what direct. For indirect is if you something is increased mean, so another one should be decreased. That is why inverse. So what they mention means if you increase, so if it is increase means, so what is the inverse of increase? Decrease. That's only inverse proportion. So positive means opposite. Inverse is negative, right? The same process. So if you increase means value is decrease. If you decrease means value is increase. That is the inverse proportion. Okay. What they given in the inverse proportion? y1 into x1 into y1 equal to x2 into y2. Inverse proportion method is this format to write. Okay. Whether the value is increasing or decreasing, you should analyze in this place. Then only you can find out. Okay. What they mention in this place, 16 taps. Okay. They are having a 16 taps can fill a petrol tank in 18 minutes. 16 tank taking a time 18 minutes. The time 9 tap to fill the same tank will be dash minutes. So what they mentioned, the value is decreasing, right? That's only the asking. So this is why inverse. Okay, your tap is 9 means your minutes also decreasing. Are you clear? So that is why inverse. How can we find out? We already know about inverse method. So inverse method is nothing but x1 into y1 equal to y1 into y2 into x2, right? That's the method. So now we are going to see about this, what the value will come. Okay. So I am having how many tabs? So I am having tabs. How many tabs? Number of tabs and timing. Time taking. How many tabs? 16 tabs taking. How many? 18 minutes. Then what is your 9 tab? I don't know this, right? So how can we write x1 y1 equal to x2 y2? Okay, your tab is decreased, your time also minimized. That's only. So is x1 y1 x2 y2. x1 into y1 equal to x2 is 9, y2 is as it is. 9 is moving this place. I already told multiplication moving this place. Division, so y2 cancelling this 2 times. Multiplication 18 balance 1. Sorry, 12. 2 6 are 12 balance 1 3. So what's the answer? 33 is that 32 minutes to take. So what they mention? Your tap is decreased, but your timing is maximized. Okay, 32 minutes to take the fill the tap. Then if 40 workers can do a job, work in 8 days. So workers and day. Workers, 40 workers taking 8 days. So for 4 days, what is the possibility? So obviously, so workers is increased means your day will be decreased, right? So obviously your workers should be bigger. So this is the inverse. Equal to x2 y2. x1 is a 48 equal to x1 into 4. Moving this place 8 by 4. 10. 10 8s are 80 is the value. So 80 workers. 80 workers to complete within 4 days. Then sixth sum is nothing but pumps are required to fill a water sum in 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay, we already did in your project, right? We are having a water tubes like that. That's a water tank. Okay, sums in 1 hour 30 minutes. What will be the time taken to fill the sum if one pump is switched off? Okay, so we are having a lot of the pipe now. So filling that jar like that is mentioned as a water sum, means the particular the cave. Okay, the particular thing. So what will be the time taken to fill the sum if one pump is switched off? So having a 6 pump. Third question. So I am making a diagram. This is what sum means. Okay, you are having a 6 pipe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pipe. Okay, each is filling with water like this. So I am cutting this one pump, means how many pump you are having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's one they are trying to tell. This is a sum. That water is going to get down. That place is a sum. That particular object is a sum. Okay, that's also said to be sum. So what they mentioned, we are going to say let x be the required time. Okay, so tabulation. What's the tabulation? Number of pump, then time taken. Time taken is 6 pump, means what they mention 1 hour 30 minutes. You should convert it into the minutes. So 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 1 hour 30 minutes means, so I am going to convert it. This is 60 plus 90. I can get how many? 30. Sorry, 60 plus 30. How many minutes? 90 minutes to take. Okay, so what is a 1 hour 30 minutes? 90 minutes. Okay, time taken is minutes. Then what they are asking, what will be the time taken to fill sum? So I already told one pump is switch off. So you are pouring the water. So one is cut. So how many pump you are having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 minus 1. Sorry, pump 6 minus 1. How many pump you are having? 5 pump, right? So how much time taken? I don't know. So that is my x. The required time only you are going to find out. Therefore, it is inverse proportion. So your pipe is this much. So obviously it take a time lot. Pipe is decreased, your time is increased. So obviously it should be inverse. Definitely in this place increase. Okay. So what's the format? x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2. What's the x1? 6. x2 90 equal to 5 into x. Okay, so this 5 is moving in this place. 6 90 by 5 equal to x. So what will be answer in 5 table? How many time it will come? 1. So 40 for 8. 6 into 18 equal to x. That implies x is equal to 8. 6 8s are 48. 108. Okay. So this is in your minutes. X is in your minutes. So going to convert it hour means. So going to convert hour means minutes by 60 hours. Hours equal to minutes by 60. Okay. time taken to fill the water sum is equal to 108 minutes by 60. Okay, so I'm going to divide means 108 60. So 1s are 60, balance 48. So it's not going to 60 taken. So this is a hour, this is a minutes. So 1 hour 48 minutes to take to fill the water sum. Okay.